Hi everyone, I'm Tanya J. Peterson with the Anxiety to Anxiety blog on HealthyPlace.com. As you probably well know, anxiety is a trap. It wraps itself around us and through our mind and grabs us and holds us so we can't escape, we can't get out. And of course, we don't like it. And so what do? Instinctively, we struggle and we want to get out, and we are thinking about those thoughts and they're racing through our minds and we're feeling those feelings and that physical sensation, and we don't like it. So we struggle and we fight and we're stuck in it. And that's because we are wrapped up. We're thinking it, we're feeling it. The more we resist, the more we fight and struggle, the more we stay trapped and we can't get out. But really, all anxiety is this flimsy shell of a thing that has just taken over. So a really effective way of getting ourselves extracted from the trap that is anxiety is, instead of struggling, instead of thinking those anxious thoughts and thinking how we don't like them or trying to argue with the thoughts, just relax. And now, of course, with anxiety, it's easier said than done. And if somebody says, "What are you worried about? Just relax," you probably want to punch them, or at least just think, it just upsets you even more and makes you that much anxious, because if you could relax, you probably would. But the principle is right, is accurate. So how to do this, how to relax. Instead of struggling with anxiety, think of sitting with your anxiety. Sit and breathe. Take a deep breath in and out. You're still trapped, but your whole body, your physiology is starting to let go. You might use some essential oils. This is aromatherapy. You can have it nearby. You can even lean over and inhale a calming, pleasant, relaxing scent. Chamomile or lavender are two kind of key components. I have, in this mix right now, I have Siberian fir and I have lemon, because lemon is positively energizing. Siberian fir has these different properties, but something that appeals to you and works with you, the essence of these oils gets inside as you breathe. So you might have that. Have something pleasant that makes you smile nearby. Again, you're stuck. This isn't going to make anxiety instantly disappear, but you're relaxing and you're just accepting, okay, right now I'm having these anxious thoughts. I'm having the thought that I'm worrying about, but it's okay. Instead of getting caught up with it, you're going to relax and then be mindful. Pay attention. If you have an oil diffuser going, how does it smell? Does it make a sound? Pay attention to your pleasant surroundings. This item that makes you smile or that you enjoy. A plant. You just take in with your senses what's going on and let your thoughts gradually shift from this to a relaxed state. You're just kind of relaxed and you're flowing with it. And as you breathe and you're mindful, you just simply relax those muscles and slip away. You can just slip out of those anxious thoughts. Now, anxiety is still there. It's not a magic instant cure-all, but you're in a better state of being. You are free. You are freed up to do other things, to just be in a relaxed state. And anytime you find yourself stuck in anxiety, breathe, relax, be mindful of the moment, and slip out. So give it a try. It's different than somebody telling you just relax, but you are relaxing and you're releasing yourself from anxiety. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.